Okay, take number fucking 3. The Happy Home. I've been meaning to make a video of this thing now that it's almost fully stored. The cabinet is painted. I would just like to do the front and rear guard, and it needs a little bit of mechanical work done to it, which I'll get in a minute. Which I'll get to in a second. So, I was barbecuing earlier before the propane ran out. This thing got to full speed and it died on me. So I was like, okay, it's weird. Just never done that before, so I unplugged it for a little bit. It's plugged in right now because I left it plugged in. Airplane. Damn. Probably like an A320 or some shit. I don't even know. Anyways, I unplugged it for a little bit, then I plugged it back in. And it started right up, got up to full speed, and ran for, I want to say, a little less than 20 minutes. So, I wanted to see if it'll do it again on camera, because I'm not entirely sure if this motor is a PSC or a shaded pull. I think it's a shaded pull, because I'm not entirely sure where the capacitor would be located on this. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure where the capacitor would be located on this. Just be careful I don't end the fucking video or drop the damn fucking phone. Actually, it's better if I do it like that. There's an M7. It is the universal electric motor. It is 115 volts, 60 cycles, 2.35 amps. It has an RPM range of 950. It is serial number 3P18377 is model number 28-081. Or 26, is it? Or yeah, 26, sorry. It's a 26-inch fan. Then, yeah, it's a 26, and then that's the, I don't know what that is. The number? It's some number. Below it, I can't really make it out. Count something. Or continue. Can't. Made in Michigan, USA.
Why, it stopped again?
No. I'm seeing if it'll do it again. I'm testing it to see if it'll do it on camera. That's full speed. It's probably not going to do it now that I have the camera going. I also had the TV on when I started it up, but that's not, I don't think that's the issue, because I've ran this with the TV on before. Yeah, it's not going to do it. There's the low speed. It could be a cord issue because the cord needs to be replaced. It's running fine now. It's running a lot smoother than it did a few days ago. I don't know what Low's RPMs, as high as 950. It'll spin down just fine. The bearings on this are fine. There could be a cord related issue because the cord is all taped up. So, might need to replace that. But yeah, it works fine now.
Sonny, why are you fucking a human, dude?
I also need to get the motor apart because it could also be that the motor is, or the inside of the motor is caked in dust, as you can see. So, that could be an issue as well.